Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with me. My name is Bima Maulana, and thank you for coming to this video. And the purpose of my presentation is fulfill the engineering English segment. And first, I will explain to you about the vehicle construction, and then I will explain my study about vehicle construction is so important for us. Finally, and you will know how to about the vehicle construction. And next, vehicle construction. Define the most important part of a vehicle. Explain body design and frame fashion. Compare unibody and body of a frame construction. Identify the major structure, part, section, and assembly of body of a frame vehicle. And identify the major structural part, section, and assembly of unibody vehicle. Summarize how to classify vehicle by body, engine, and drivetrain configuration. And next, introduction. Vehicle construction refers to how a vehicle is made. Vehicles are a mass of interacting mechanical electrical system. Over 50,000 parts are used in a typical vehicle. The next one part can affect the operation of another seemingly and related part. Different types of construction require different methods refer frame unibody damage. And crash testing. Vehicles must be the like aerodynamic and yet strong and safe. Computer simulate crash testing is used before building a prototype to find weak structural areas. Critical, the passenger's compartment is strong enough to prevent injury. Certified crash tests are done with a real vehicle and sensor equipment damage. Crash zones are built into the frame or body to absorb some of the energy of a collision. And next, vehicle classification. Vehicle classification relates to the construction size, shape, number of doors, type of road, and other criteria of a motor vehicle. To communicate properly in collision repair, you must understand the basic term. Vehicle construction part of component refers to the small unit on a vehicle, and assembly is several parts that fit together. Panel refers to a large removable body part. Pan refers to a floor-related component. Chassis includes everything under the body, consisting of the mechanical system that support and power the car. And then unibody structure from frame. And unibody contextual major body panel together to form the frame for attacking the engine, drivetrain, suspension, and the other parts. With body over frame construction and attic guards, tail frame provide protection holding other parts. Next, full frames body over frame vehicle have separate body and chassis part pulled to the frame. Full frame vehicle have a high amount of energy absorbed by the frame in a collision. Next, full frames continued. Frame is independent separate part. And perimeter frame has a frame rail near to outside the vehicle. And in the most common, leather frame has long frame rail with a rare series of strike cross member and is seldom used. And next, unibody construction. Unibody construction uses body part welded and bolted together. Body shell is formed by welding sheet metal into a box or egg-like configuration. stress holds whole structure disperse force over the entire body cell. And next, space frame. Space frame vehicle has a metal body structure covered with an outer skin of plastic or composite panels. Roof and quarter panels may be attached with mechanical fasteners or adhesives. After a collision, a space frame is more likely to have hidden damage or hidden corrosion to support member air bolt to unibody bottom. And next, this is suspension and braking system bolt. Next, joining part. Fastened parts are held together with fastener. Welded parts are permanently joined by welding. Press fit or snap fit part use clip or an interface to fit parts together. And the safe bonded part use high strength epoxy or special glue to hold parts together. Composite unibody is made of plastic and other material. And next, this is not the space frame construction. This fender, front bumper, grille, hot roll panel, trunk light, rail bumper, quarter panel, rocker panel skin. And next, major body section. Vehicle is divided into the three sections: front, center, and rear. Front section includes everything between front bumper and firewall, also called nose section from clip doghouse. Center section or mid section includes body part that from passenger compartment, also called a greenhouse. Rear section, also called tail section, rear clips, cat house. Rail panel and assembly nomenclature. Panel and assembly nomenclature. Next, front section part. Call is near the end of front section, right in front of the windshield. Soft tower or start tower are replacement body areas for holding upper part of suspension. And the next, this top view of unibody construction shows how structural members are added to support the engine, suspension, and other mechanical systems. Center section part. Floor pan is main structure section in the bottom of passenger compartment. Tunnel is formed in floor pan for transmission and drive shaft. Next, center section part continues. Rear pillar or C-pillar extend of front quarter panel to hold rear of roof. Rocker panel or door sill are strong beyond that fit at bottom of door opening. The sill of package tray is a thin panel behind rear seat in front of back glass. And next, rear section part. Rear head is a large panel and glass assembly height for more access to rear. And next, gasket and seal. Next, anti-corrosion material. Anti-corrosion material prevent rusting of metal parts. Sounding material help quiet passengers compartment. And next, engine location driveline. Engine mount the two crankshaft center line from front to rear. Four-wheel drive, and the transfer engine mount sideways in engine compartment. Is crankshaft counterline extend toward right and left. And next, engine location driveline continued from engine location darkness. Front engine rear wheel drive has engine in front and rear axle in rear. Rear engine rear wheel drive RRD has engine in back. Mid engine rear wheel drive has engine behind front seat. All-wheel drive used two differential for all wheels. Four-wheel drive used a transfer case to send power to two differential and all wheels. And next, vehicle size. Compact car is small body classification. Normally use a 4-cylinder engine. Lightweight get the height gas military car is medium in size. Use a 4, 6 or 8-cylinder engine. Usually has a body contraction. Full-size car is large, heavy and often has a high performance VX engine. Next, road design. Sedan is a body design with a center pillar that support roof. Hardtop do not have a center pillar to support roof, and hatchback has a large door hatchback, commonly found on small compact cars. Convertible has a rectangle and canvas roof with a steel top framework or a removable hardtop. And next, fan on truck. Fan has a large box-shaped body to increase interior volume or space. Full-size fan normally is front engine. Minifan is smaller and often used from engine, four-wheel drive with unibody contraction. Pickup truck normally has a separate cab at bed, typically with front engine (RVD). Summary: vehicle classification relates to construction size, shape, number of doors, type of roof. Three main types of frame construction: body over frame, unibody, and space frame. Vehicle commonly divided into three body sections: front section, center section, rear section. Vehicle size, compact, and intermediate. And finish. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.